Hello, I'm Mr. Duda with STEM with Mr. Duda. I've done a bunch of videos on the project lessons for Arduino in TinkerCAD, as well as the starter lessons in TinkerCAD. Something I knew was there, but I never really looked at. For those of you interested in Arduino and interested in coming up with maybe some more ideas as to what you can do, like I have a box of sensors, but sometimes I think, what would I use that sensor for? I know how they work, but sometimes I don't. I don't know. Sometimes we lose the sort of motivation to figure out how things could be set up. I want you to check out the gallery. So I don't know how new this is. I knew that there were 3D in the gallery here for TinkerCAD, which I've used before. But if you click circuits, they actually have the circuits set up for you. Some of them, I would imagine, have the coding with good notes. Some of them may not have good notes. So like if I click on this Arduino RC robot, it was made by someone. I can always click on copy and tinker. And if we do that, now number one, I want to give credit to the original person. This is the Halaktrika. I'm not sure anything about them, and they have an Instagram right here. So you can check out their Instagram if you're interested. You can click on copy and tinker. This is a great way of sharing your designs with people. I'll show you how to make a new one as well. But when you do that, it becomes your copy. So now this is mine, and I don't know if I have to plug things in, but I can have it do whatever it's supposed to do. Now, as far as using this one, I have no idea, okay? I don't know if it works. I don't know if, but this one has code in it. It shows how it works. Now, they didn't write notes in there to better describe it, so it's not like the code that I've used in my tutorials, but maybe you can start looking for new ideas. You can make your own as well. Way to do that, go back to the main page. So I just click on that TinkerCAD to get back to the main page. And I say create new circuit. And what that'll do is it'll give you a completely blank circuit. And then you can, and let's see if it loads, you can choose your components, okay? Now, there are a lot of components in here. You can choose different components. So you could say, I want all my components. Right? That's where you're going to get more of them. So if you're just on basic, you're not going to see any very advanced ones. This one you actually have to, I believe, drag in your board. Yeah, drag in your board and all that stuff. Get distance sensors and all that. Then you can click on all, and you can see even more. And then the last thing I'll show you, you can click on all the starters, and this actually shows you setups. So I know I walked through like some of these with you in my videos, but they're already set up for you, and you can drag them in and they will run. Now, I don't know if you can have multiple Arduinos. I'm not sure exactly how that one would work. And obviously, I should have dragged it in the right spot. But this is a really cool option, and you can run your simulations. All right, for the LCD one, which I'll be making soon, I love this LCD. I love the one where it's like a magic 8-ball. I think they call it a fortune teller. It's a really nice thing. You can run those as well. So just something to play with. I wanted to give you some more options than just the tutorials. You can pull up their pre-made, pre-set up ones, or you can then, once again, if you click on TinkerCAD right here, you can go over to Gallery, and you can choose circuits. And there are an amazing amount of circuits on here, right? You can click load more designs. You can even search for it. So if I was looking for a specific thing, I could click search, and I could say, I want to search in circuits, I don't know. Let's see if there's anything for a motorcycle. I love my motorcycle. So here, motorcycle turn indicator and side stand sensor and buzzer. So there are a lot of cool things. So then if you create something, maybe you could share it with the world and help people make cooler things. So hopefully that opens your mind to more opportunities with Arduino, and have a wonderful day, everybody.